My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and it's raining. It never rains in Arizona, so, we're indoors again. Not only indoors because of COVID, but we're indoors because of the rain, right? So today we're going to be doing a short unboxing of this, a tent mallet. I thought I would just make this kind of like a funny video because, there's nothing to unbox, number one. It's a tent mallet, right? And I wanted to share some of my secrets. When I first buy a tent mallet, what do I change on it, right? So as you can see, there's no unboxing to be had here. It's a tent mallet. It's got a rubber head and a wooden handle. I always keep at least one in my camping gear, and it's my car camping gear. This mallet is not suitable for hiking, right? You only want to use this type of really heavy mallet in a car camping situation because it is so heavy. Number one, this mallet is extremely heavy. So you just want to use something really light when hiking. That's the only caveat I wanted to point out when we're doing the unboxing here. So this one is Coghlan's Tent Peg Mallet, rubber head, steel peg, steel peg puller. Say that 3 times fast. Warning, keep away from children, wear eye protection during use. Who does that? Any striking tool may chip if struck against another hardened surface, resulting in damage to the tool and possibly resulting in serious injury. Warning, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer. Great. So, it's a mallet, It seems pretty easy, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is what the head looks like. It's so shiny. Pretty. This is what the wooden handle is. You want something hard and sturdy, and you want to be able to hit it squarely on the top of the head. Honestly, I just buy these from Walmart. I think they're about $5.99 in the tent peg aisle, and you can see how nice and smooth it is too. I haven't chipped it away yet or anything. And then it also comes with a handy tent puller. Now, the thing that I do change on this, because it's Arizona, is that you need a stronger, this is a tiny hook. It easily gets bent and ripped out when you're, not ripped out, but it easily gets bent open when you're trying to pull out tent pegs, especially in Arizona, because the ground is incredibly hard. So what I do, and you can even see, look at how much bigger this new tent peg puller is. And you can see already that I've bent it out, right? Because there was one day where the ground was just way too hard and I pulled heavily on it instead of kicking the tent pegs first and then pulling them out with this. And look what happened, it bent it out. So you can see that this flimsy little thing will stand no chance, especially if this one is bent out. So that's the first thing I do is I simply unscrew the old tent peg puller, and take this off. And then I put on a new one, basically. And you can just do this by hand. It's really not difficult. I'm doing it with my left hand. I'm right-handed. It's not difficult to do at all. So you just pull this out and you insert a new tent peg puller into that hole. Just get another one of these. You can take this with you to the hardware store, get one that looks like this, only bigger, stronger, etc. And you can just screw it right in there, and then away you go. So that way you get a little bit better and a little bit stronger pull as opposed to this little tiny dinky thing, right? You see how much thinner it is? It's a mallet, It's got the mallet on one side, tent peg puller on the other side, and away you go. Again, not suitable for hiking, but suitable for car camping. So get yourself one of these, keep it in your camping gear, and away you go. This is a channel where everybody can come and figure out how to come car camping or how to go camping in general, That's what I always say, and I stick with it. Camping is for everybody, and so is hiking. Hiking is for everybody. You just got to learn how to do it at first, right? So anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.